GEICO estimate repair cost. How to get an accurate repair. Quote, GEICO provides repair cost estimates through its claims process and Auto Repair Express program to help policyholders determine the cost of vehicle repairs after an accident. The estimate is based on factors such as damage severity, parts, labor, and location. 1. How to get a GEICO repair estimate. Step 1. Report the claim file. A claim through the GEICO mobile app, website, or by calling customer service. Provide details about the accident, vehicle damage, and any involved parties. Step 2. Schedule an inspection. GEICO may offer an online photo estimate, where you upload pictures of the damage for evaluation. If needed, you can visit a GEICO-approved repair shop, Auto Repair Express, or have an adjuster inspect the vehicle in person. Step 3. Receive the repair estimate. GEICO provides an estimate detailing repair costs, labor, and replacement parts. If using Auto Repair Express, GEICO works directly with the repair shop to streamline the process. Step 4. Approve or dispute the estimate. If you agree, the repairs can begin at a GEICO-approved shop or a repair facility of your choice. If you disagree, you can request a supplemental estimate or get a second opinion from an independent repair shop. 2. Factors that affect GEICO repair estimates. Extent of damage. Minor dents and scratches cost less, while structural damage raises repair costs. Parts used. OEM, original equipment manufacturer. Parts are often more expensive than aftermarket or used parts. Labor costs. Rates vary based on the repair facility, state, and complexity of the work. Insurance deductible. If you have collision or comprehensive coverage, you must pay the deductible before insurance covers the remaining costs. 3. What happens? After the estimate, if your car is repairable, you can proceed with the approved repair shop. If your car is deemed a total loss, GEICO will provide a settlement based on your vehicle's market value. Getting a GEICO repair estimate helps you understand repair costs and ensures you're getting fair pricing for necessary fixes. To find out if you're paying too much for car insurance, click on the link in the description below.